You're fucking terrifying.
War are filled. A world where being thankful is filled with a thirst for blood. Grimoire.
Ow.
Damn you souls and spirits that die. Man has a sweet story to tell. A world where brothers fight brothers. Where blood runs thicker than night.
Oh, that's a marker. Food. Have it. Have it. Have it. Bitch. Oh my god. Take your dinner. What the fuck? Bitch. That's okay. I think you'll live. You're okay. You're okay. You'll live, sir. That's really fucking foul. It's so tight in here, man. Mia, go!
I can't move, okay? There's something in the way.
I'm fucking scared. No, I have not.
We're the ones that opened this book.
Oh, bitch, that's a scary fucking book. I don't want it. Oh, he's hot. Oh, fuck. Oh, you can fuck all the way off, please. Oh, bitch. I'm okay, man. I can't see. Ah! Mia, go. I think we're okay. It's just that stupid fucking book.